Hi there, students. A goon. A goon, a countable noun for a person. Okay, I think this word a goon has two different meanings. A goon is either a thug, a violent criminal, who gets money from the boss to threaten people. There were two bouncers outside the discotheque. There were two goons standing there saying who could or couldn't get in. I think this use of goon is more American. And then a goon is probably a little bit old-fashioned and much more British. A silly person, somebody who's stupid, who's an idiot. Okay, so we've got both of these. I think the meaning of violent criminal is becoming more and more popular because this is the American idea of it, and you will see this a lot in Hollywood cinema. The criminal mastermind and his goons went round extorting money from the shopkeepers in the local area. Okay, so a goon, either an eccentric, rather silly person, or a violent, aggressive thug who goes around beating people up. Normally, this is somebody who works for somebody else, a bit of muscle, as they say. Okay, so somebody hired to terrorize opponents, an enforcer, if you like, and then a goon as well, somebody who's a bit silly. Come on, don't be such a goon. There used to be a radio program on the BBC in the 1950s, and I think called The Goons. The original title was Crazy People. And this consisted of Peter Sellers, Spike Milligan, Harry Seacombe, and later Michael Benteen as well. And they used to do all sorts of silly, crazy things. And they were goons. They were idiots. They were morons. They were rather crazy and stupid. It's the start of, I think, the Monty Python idea of humour. But I think more commonly nowadays a goon is a criminal, a great big bruiser, a huge big guy, a knuckle dragger. So yes, if you don't pay your protection money, he'll send his goons round to destroy your business. So you had better be very careful. Let's see. This word comes actually from goonie, which is a very old word meaning a simpleton. And there's actually a film called The Goonies, and I guess this is saying they're a bit silly. Maybe itself that comes from gon or gome, a man or a person. But let's see, this word goon, a goon, is quite informal. Okay, I would probably give it 3.5 informality. Use it in an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation. As a thug, you might use it in a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more. But I think most commonly today, a goon, a henchman, somebody with little intelligence, a hired goon, but also somebody who's silly, awkward, a bit strange, a bit outlandish. Also, another use to note, during the Second World War, the British prisoners of war used to call the guards goons, and I guess if you were in prison you might say the goons are there as well. You've got a phrase, the goon squad, a group of hired thugs, who are going to do violent things and hurt people, so be careful of the goon squad. Okay, so as I said, a stupid, silly person, but this meaning is old-fashioned and fading out. And a goon, a big, strong, hired thug, is the one that's coming in. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Goon.